John. My name, John, and I was recommended Melissa McCarthy, even though she was already my favorite actress on the planet. I find her spirits to be high at all times. I find her beautiful. If I could, I'd probably marry her, but she's already taken. I know that. I can't remember his name. I'm not gonna know it. It'll hurt me inside. We'll just click any one here. It doesn't really matter which one we click. Big fan of Jason Statham too, but that's for another time. Sad clown, huh? Spy movie clip? I wonder if they got any Ghostbusters stuff. Let's just real quick, guys. Ghostbusters. McCarthy. Let's check out some behind the screen stuff. First photos. That one's great. Let's do that one. Well, you can't stop the ads. They make YouTube run well all the time. Holy shit, that was fucking amazing!
Production on next year's all-female Ghostbusters is officially in full effect, and we have got your first look at photos from the set in Boston. There were no signs.
Holy shit, this is what I've been waiting for. Is that an actual screen from Ghostbusters?
What appears to be an early scene in the film, looking more like the haunted librarian from the first time, ready to bust out some
Jeez.
spotted walking down the streets of Boston, which are substituting for New York, wearing a matching jacket and skirt and
Ooh, fancy.
as she passes what looks like a pair of students fighting. We know from previous reports that Wig's character will be a professor at Columbia University who loses
What do I have to Jocelyn Davis for? I'm not gonna laugh at Jocelyn. I'm looking for Liz McCarthy. It's sidetracked. It's so easy. Let's see. Tammy. That's a classic. Identity Thief. Double classic. The Heat. I don't even want to talk about it. It's too good for me to talk about. Play Heads Up. Lana. I don't want to talk. I can't say her name. Well, let's listen to Identity Thief, because I love this movie personally. This video is actually really well made.
You can't.
Oh shit! She's going hard. She's going fucking hard. Oh, The Exorcist. That's a nice. I don't know. Play Elsefire. I don't know what that is. Susie laughing. Oh, you fat girl! You can't jump that far. I don't agree with violence, so. Can't see Amy's comment very well, but it said, I'll just read it out for you. Amy OA says the hair salon or beauty product store scene kills it. Let's see. Your beard smells like sandwiches. That's nice, says Brabobby Snooky. Rusty Shackelford says, why is she supposed to be funny? We don't really agree with haters on this channel, so I don't. Watt says, just looking at her makes me laugh. Ooh. I should actually friend this guy. Do you friend people on Facebook? What is this? YouTube? I don't friend people on there. I'm not going to subscribe to a 0 subscriber. I'm pretty sure I even have a bunch of subscribers on my channel. About. Let's check it out. 0. Whatever, it's not important. Let's close that.